Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware and service compatibility. Check that your device supports 5G NR bands used by your carrier. Once verified, install the 5G SIM or provision the eSIM profile and accept carrier settings. Make sure your plan explicitly includes continuous 5G access, then open cellular settings and enable data plus 5G mode. If prompted, restart the device to apply provisioning. This first set of steps puts you on the network and prepares the radio for continuous operation. Once connected, you optimize how 5G behaves so it stays continuous. You choose between 5G Auto to balance battery life and performance or 5G On for persistent high-speed access. Make that selection in Network Settings. Next, enable Carrier Co-S, low latency profiles, or Wi-Fi offload where the carrier offers them to reduce drops. Then physically place the device for stronger reception, higher elevation, and fewer obstructions, because radio conditions determine handovers and sustained throughput. To finalize, you sustain continuous 5G by monitoring signal strength, throughput, and handover counts in the device diagnostics or carrier portal. Make sure session persistence settings are active. When NAT or short-state timeouts interfere, consider static IP, custom DNS, or a keep-alive VPN to maintain flows. If you see frequent disconnects, restart the modem and toggle airplane mode to force a clean attach. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist after resets, request a reprovision or SIM swap from the carrier to refresh network state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.